This is Professor G going to give you some information on the cost structure assignment. Why are we doing cost structure? Reality is that 90% of businesses fail in the first 3 years because they did not address cost structure. Okay. Cost structure is important because in my circumstance, first year I launched my business, it was actually quite successful. I had a lot of revenue coming in weekly. Things were great. I was so very busy making money that I actually allowed costs to get out of control. At the end of the year, when I finally did a detailed accounting, I thought what was going to be a huge net profit ended up being a good net profit, but I was absolutely shocked by how much I had allowed the cost of doing business to just get out of control. When we talk about cost, we're looking at fixed, which would be like a mortgage payment. It's the same payment every month. Variable would be energy consumption, would be transportation, would be mailing, etc. Economies of scale. It's often more expensive to buy one or two of something than it is to buy 10. Why? You can buy in bundles and leverage a discount with the supplier. Outsourcing, don't think you have to do it all. It's probably cheaper to hire somebody else to do it externally, leverage their equipment, their resources, and you're simply paying for the product, the end result. Really need to understand what are the things that drive cost in your business model. So let's jump into the assignment. The goal with giving you this assignment is to give you an opportunity to explore and develop a cost structure model and to do it in 3 steps. So we're not accountants or finance students in this class, but that's okay because we can calculate the cost of doing business. Okay, that's all we're talking about. Let's assume that Professor G is starting a business. So Professor G, and it's going to be a lawn care company. So what do I need? What are my essential resources for lawn care? I obviously need a mower, right? I need to move that mower around, so I probably need a truck. But if I need a truck, I probably need a trailer. And there are many more, but we'll just do the 3 for now. And I want you to do 3 as well. How much is this mower going to cost? It's not free. I'm going to pay something. So I want you to do some type of reasonable research into determining these first year costs. I don't want you to pull them just from the sky. Try to do some due diligence and find a starting point for that cost. I need a truck, which is going to cost a lot more than a mower, especially today. And then I need a trailer. So those are 3 key resources with my first year. When we start a business, we have to take essential steps to actually launch the business. Those are called key activities. Key activities can range or vary widely. Let's say I need to form a corporation. So I'm going to form a corporation. That cost about $50. Okay. I need a patent, a full 20-year patent that could cost as much as $5,000. Or I need a website developed. Okay. That could be, 7 to 10 for a really, really nice website. So key activities, what things do I need to do, execute on, and the estimated cost for that. Then we jump over to the 3rd step, key partners. There may or may not be a cost. If I have an idea for an app, I need an app developer, right? What is that going to cost me? Okay. Do I need a website? So I need another website developer. So who might you need to partner with, and might that cost something? You might say, I need to partner with a mentor with knowledge in engineering, and that cost is 0 because they're going to mentor me, and that's okay as well. There may not be cost associated with these partnerships, but I at least want you to identify key partners and how those impact your cost, or whether they do impact your cost. So my challenge for you is to really seriously think about the cost of doing business and how your activity and where you take the business impacts or drives your cost. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.